Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix a frozen or stuck screen on your Nintendo Switch 2.
Fix 1. Force restart Step 1. Press and hold the power button for 12 to 15 seconds. Step 2. Release the button when the screen turns off. Step 3. Press the power button once to turn it back on. Fix 2. Remove game card/accessory. Step 1. Power off the Switch 2 completely. Step 2. Remove the game card, micro SD card, and all accessories. Step 3. Turn the console back on. Fix 3. Charge the console. Step 1. Connect the official charger directly to the console. Step 2. Charge for 30 to 60 minutes. Step 3. Turn it on and check if the freeze is gone. Fix 4. Undock and restart. Step 1. Remove the Switch 2 from the dock. Step 2. Force restart using the power button. Step 3. Use it in handheld mode to test. Fix 5. Update system software if accessible. Step 1. Go to System Settings. Step 2. Select System Update. Step 3. Install any available update. Fix 6. Initialize console. Last option. Step 1. Open System Settings. Step 2. Go to System Initialize. Step 3. Select Initialize console. Backs up data if possible.